Hi, today we will learn the phrasal verb ease somebody out of something. It means to gently remove someone from a job or position. Imagine a company wants to let someone go without being harsh. They ease them out. This means they do it slowly and carefully. You can use this when talking about jobs, roles, or responsibilities. For example, the manager eased her out of the project. This means she was removed, but not abruptly. Remember, ease somebody out of something is separable. You say, ease a person out of a position. For example, they eased John out of his role. Don't say ease out John of his role. That is incorrect. This phrase is polite and often used to avoid conflict. It is different from push out, which means to force someone out. Use ease somebody out of something when you want to sound gentle. Try to use it when talking about work or responsibilities. Now, can you make a sentence with ease somebody out of something? Great. Keep practicing and see you next time.